Want to share a PDF but don't want other people printing it, copying the content, or editing it? Well, you can actually lock those permissions in just a few clicks, and you don't even need to install any software. Let me show you how. First, open the PDF to Go website. And just to be clear, this isn't sponsored. I just think this website is really useful for this. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, upload the PDF file you want to protect. You can also upload multiple PDF files at once if you have more than one. After your file is uploaded, you'll see a few different protection options. The first one is Enter Password to Open. Use this option if you want your PDF to always ask for a password before someone can open and view it. But if you still want people to be able to open and read your PDF normally while preventing them from printing, copying, or editing it, scroll down to the Permissions section. Here, you'll find options like Prevent Printing, Prevent Copying, and Prevent Editing. Just enable all of these options if you want maximum protection. Then, enter a password for the permissions. Make sure you remember this password because you may need it later if you want to change or remove those restrictions. Once everything is set, click Start and wait for PDF to Go to process your file. It should only take a moment. When it's finished, simply download the protected version of your PDF. And that's it! Your PDF is now protected. To test it, open the protected PDF on a desktop PDF reader and try to print, copy, or edit the content. Depending on the PDF reader you're using, those restricted features should now be disabled or blocked. So if you regularly share important PDFs, documents, eBooks, or other files that you don't want people easily modifying or copying, this is a really simple trick worth knowing. And if this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.